Hello, everybody. Welcome to your choppy Bitcoin market. I'm Randy with Altcoin Buzz Trading, and today we're going to talk about how not to trade cryptocurrency. Very tricky market at the moment right now. Everything dropped recently. It's been consolidating, and if we start taking a look at these charts right off the bat here, that's what we're doing. We're chopping and consolidating. So we came out of a consolidation here, faked going higher, hit this trend line, handily rolled over into another small consolidation. On this drop, the market went into a correction. A correction is a very specific thing to me. And so until we break out of that correction, this is basically no-go territory. And we're setting up for no-go. We're really setting up for lower prices here, finding resistance at resistance. And we're not really doing anything too constructive here whatsoever. There is a little bit of buying here, but that buying could also be short covering, not actual buying. The difference is buying is taking new money and deploying it to buying an asset like Bitcoin. Short covering is where you've shorted the asset, you sold it at higher prices, and you buy it just to get out of the position, implying that no one's left to buy it. You don't want to buy it anymore. You're just covering your short, and that looks like that's what happened here. And so we'll see where we go, but right now I do not believe this is a market to be getting very long with at the moment. Yeah, until we start to see something breaking of this 58,504, even this declining trend line would be better to get involved with. Then you'd be able to see what the action was like between the low and the breaking of the trend line and make an informed decision. Until then, you're literally guessing. There's no knowing down here. Even breaking trend line isn't knowing, but you have some history to go off of. So it's a safer bet. And even then, if it's not clear, it's not a good one. All right. So something interestingly enough, yesterday we looked at this coin Not, and this coin Not was yesterday in the top. It was number 50 in the top 50 coins going up. I just thought it was funny that today was the top coin going down, but it was ranked number 54. So it lost some value while a few others gained a little bit of value. That's how fast these rankings can change. Which I just thought it was entertaining, so we're showing this one today. But yesterday this was on the top up list, now it's on the top down list, and the downtrend really wasn't even that bad. It's still looking pretty good. This one did get above its declining trend line. It's a new issue too here on Binance, so it's not doing anything bad. As a matter of fact, pretty good volume on the way up here. Still in an uptrend. This could be potentially a buyable bottom if you believe in this name that it's going to continue higher. Hard stop would have to be under the low of the day here today. The reason being is because there's a hammer candle on higher volume. Happens to be not quite the highest volume of the day, but you don't want to hold on to too many longs in this market. Like I mentioned, market's in a correction, and so therefore longs are much less likely to work out. But I just thought that was entertaining. And then an old favorite, an old friend I didn't think I'd see back up here, VeChain, ranked number 45. Going for it at the moment. So we saw with the flip flop of not VeChain getting in the mix here, ranked number 45. Still don't think this is necessarily viable, but this is actually indicative of charts that you have across this market. You have this kind of lopsided cup and handle right here. Although VeChain with some better accumulation signatures, look at my 2-hour volume aggregation tool. This tracks buying pressure in the green versus selling pressure in the orange. And the buying pressure has been firmly in control. Finally getting a pocket pivot here. So we'll see if this is able to go anywhere. It's getting to what I call a breakdown point, which is where that extreme downtrend starts. So we're getting pretty close to that. It's here at about the 2661. There's some ranges here when it comes to the breakdown points. And so pretty much anywhere in this candle, this opening candle from about 5, 6, 7 days ago, right there on the 2nd of July. We're getting up there. We'll see what happens. Volume's okay. If the rest of the market did this, I really wouldn't be too mad at it. So we'll see if it's going to, though. I don't know. I don't have a lot of faith in the market right now, and we'll see how it goes. Good green hammer candle here a few days ago for VeChain. Bigger picture-wise, though, I haven't seen this chart in a long time. Bigger picture-wise, though, you're still in a bunch of chop underneath this 0.033 level, 0.0339 level. So not too much to do. Not too much to do here. Beautiful parabolic run there on VeChain. And since then, it really hasn't been doing too much. I really haven't seen this chart in a long time. And not a great sign there when you come up, when you cross the trend line, come all the way back under it, even after it still angles downwards. So anyway, good to see a VeChain. I don't think there's much to do with it though. But yeah, I thought that was interesting. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today on the best 5 minutes every day here at Altcoin Buzz Trading. Let's see how far this guy can go. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.